Good morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's another vlog with your girl Tamika. So if it is your first time here, I'm happy to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because we'd love to have you over here. So today is just a chill day. Not doing much, but I decided that we're going to do a day in the life vlog, and we're starting off the day. Baby Elijah is here. Baby Elijah is here enjoying his banana. Eating up your banana. Banana, banana, banana. Eating up your banana. Say hi. Well, he said it. So what I did, I just chopped up some banana real fine for him, and I did like give him one that he can hold. So I just peel a little part at the top so he can actually hold the skin so it's not too slippery, and have it like a lollipop, maybe. I think maybe, I don't know. But so he loves banana, so he's enjoying that. I'm just letting him do his thing. And for myself, I think I'm gonna make a protein shake for my breakfast. It's now 10:44 a.m. and I haven't had anything yet, so I'm gonna make breakfast and then we'll see what happens as the day progresses. Stick around. So dirty, yeah. So cute. Okay, so life doesn't always go as planned. That's literally my motto, I swear. It is now 12:54. Still haven't had any breakfast. I took TJ outside. We're out there sitting for a while. Now he went back to take a nap, so I'm literally just gonna make something to eat, to drink. I'm gonna make a protein shake. So all I'm using is the protein powder. I'm using this one, almond butter, so 1 tablespoon of that, 1 ripe banana, and almond milk. So this one is almost finished, so I just gonna use this one, and I'm gonna just blend, and that's gonna be my breakfast slash lunch brunch. Yeah. Brunch, lunch. So this is, we're having a liquid breakfast, liquid lunch. I don't even know what to call it, but as I say, it's like after 1 now, so it's lunch. But this is actually good. You can actually substitute a meal with this, which is awesome. It fills you up. It helps you to, like, the fact that I'm exercising a lot, it helps to heal the muscle. So like you'd have muscle ache, so this helps to take away all of that ache, so it literally restore the muscle and other stuff that I don't even know. But yeah, it's good. That's all I know. Chocolate flavor. So guys, I am so excited. Like, big news, big news, big news announcement. We are moving. I'm so excited. So look out for the apartment hunting vlog that's coming next, and look out for the moving vlog. Look out for the apartment tour. Guys, come on, there's a whole host of vlog coming your way. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, you better be ready. So make sure you look out for those, okay? Exciting, 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 okay? So TJ's still napping. I had a meeting at 12, and that is exactly why I did not have lunch or breakfast until after 1. I had a meeting. So now I'm just here still looking for apartment. As I say, I'm going to do apartment hunting video, because what happened, they're not doing, you cannot get a tour of an apartment anymore. They're doing virtual. So basically, when I'm doing the apartment hunting video, you guys are gonna see what I'm seeing. So it's gonna be fun, I promise. I mean, all my videos are fun. If you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now, and don't forget the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Cause what?
I look good.
Oh, so if you don't look good, then I want the panning.
No.
Okay.
Take a look.
I'm actually recording.
Oh yeah, I see it.
So Shamoya is here looking at decor for her room, and I don't know what she need a home office for. but she's looking at decor for her home office and room. I'm gonna have a home office, most definitely. And also I'm thinking of doing like a little corner for my all my equipment, like my YouTube stuff and the business, you know, a corner where I can work from. So yeah, I need a home office. I don't know why she need a home office. All she need is a table and a chair to go to school. But yeah, so she's over here browsing on Pinterest. A Pinterest in name?
Pinterest.
Pinterest. She's over here browsing on Pinterest for decor. Go. Yes, guys, so it is now dinner time. So it's dinner time, and I decided I'm gonna make chicken. I'm doing chicken wings and breast strips, and I'm just currying it. And what I'm gonna do is have the breast strips in a wrap, in one of those carb balance wrap. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing for dinner. So I'll have the wings probably tomorrow or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So that's what in my pot look like right now. Ain't nothing much to it, not yet. But we're getting there. We are getting there.